I tell women, your strength is your zaban. Women know that. ओके बट हम उसको नेगेटिव तरीके से देखते हैं. हिस्ट्री ने हमेशा दिखाया है कि अग्रेसर हमेशा थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग ही होता है और किसके ऊपर अग्रेशन दिखाते हैं जो बहुत ही वीक विक्टिम है. अभी जो करंट एक सिचुएशन चल रही है वॉर की,
You're high on self-defense also. So where did that journey start from?
which was great because I'll tell you something, ladies. After I started getting known to be a martial artist, all those creepy uncles, they stopped being creepy with me.
You have taken acting course as well, right?
Yeah.
वो training थी पूरी. But वो acting course को आपने use किया अपनी hosting में और public speaking में.
Absolutely.
How did that happen? I mean, उस training ने क्या बदला, उससे पहले क्या था और बाद में कैसा था?
Napa was the first place where I heard that my voice is nice. And I was just like, really? My voice is nice? I did not know that.
कभी किसी को पीटा है वैसे? अस्सलाम वालेकुम ज़ैनब, कैसी हैं आप?
ठीक है, वालेकुम सलाम. So good to be here. I think we've been planning for such a long time. I'm glad that I'm
बिल्कुल
here.
बिल्कुल. I'm so happy to see you. I'm trying to match the level of your audio because मुझे पता है आप बहुत तेज बोलेंगे, मैं बहुत हल्का बोलने वाली हूँ.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun to see. Yes.
Where did this voice come from? Is this like does it come from some practice और या फिर पैदाइशी है भाई ये?
Actually, all the women in my family have a deep voice and very loud voice.
Okay.
And बचपन में हमें कहते थे कि women should speak less loudly. And मुझे ये बोलते थे कि like फटी हुई ढोल है तुम्हारी आवाज़ and all. बहुत मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. I used to get bullied a lot. I never knew that I would end up making money out of it. Right? So that was a surprise for me.
ज़बरदस्त.
But yeah, along the way I did take training.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Acha.
I went to this place called Napa. People know about the National Academy for Performing Arts. And with my luck, Zia Muhyiddin साहब थे.
Wow.
And diction वो सिखाते थे. Vocal training उधर होती थी. बहुत सारी interesting चीज़ें. तो I was part of 2 dramas and totally changed my game. And now my phati hui dhol आवाज़ is what picks up a lot of energy in a room.
Wow. So since you have been working for women empowerment, financial education of women, मैंने आपको देखा है, self defense पे भी you're high on self defense also. So where did that journey start from? I mean, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? You can start from your like first internship, first नौकरी, first business as well. How did that journey start?
Well, those two are so unrelated in my life right now because I was very young when I started noticing how women were treated. And unlike a lot of my friends, I don't know, more aware of it. Like, I could not accept it. It was not something that was easy for me. So at the age of 13, I started going to NGOs, working on these sort of things. Itna major काम नहीं किया था. I was not one of those young child activists, but I was learning. And then I grew up in Islamabad. It's a tougher world there for women and young girls. So when I came to Karachi, suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगा किसी ने मुझे पिंजरे से निकाला है, right? So Karachi is very empowering. Very empowering city to be in when you're a woman. And after that, A-levels बड़ा ज़बरदस्त हुआ इधर. I studied chartered accountancy. I'm an artist, not supposed to do that, but Dad wanted me to be a banker. So I did not become a banker before he did not know, but I started my first business right out of college. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and I had a
What
fashion
was the
house.
business? Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I was exporting internationally, and I had spots like 35 spots around the world, London, Toronto, Vancouver, हर जगह मैं बेच रही थी, and that bank got bankrupted because of some really insanely stupid ideas on my side. And then I came back again as a junior partner in House of Zan, which was a very premium brand. And I learned this other side of the world from them. And after I left that, a whole 10 years in fashion, I was sick and tired of it. It's just, you have to see what sort of career is compatible to who you are. Right?
Okay.
It was just not compatible to me. I thought it was going to be a creative career. There's not a lot of creativity in fashion. It's a very commercial field to be in. And so वो भी एक तरफ से मर रहा था. I was like not happy with it. So I left it. And the 2 years after that, around the same time, like a lot of other girls in that I know, I went through a very difficult situation in my life, which had made me realize, dude, I did not understand gaslighting before this. I did not understand manipulation before this. I did not understand what abuse looked like and felt like. And I only started reading about it and जब मैं फारिग हो गई थी फैशन से, right? And I took up martial arts. I took up Tai Chi. I took up MMA. I did Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for some while. And I became known as the girl who was into, martial arts and all. which was great because I'll tell you something, ladies. After I started getting known to be a martial artist, all those creepy uncles, they stopped being creepy with me. They are all friends with me now. Okay, and if you want power, you have to understand one thing, and I know a lot of this is going to piss a lot of guys off here, but men respect physical power. Yeah, so and if you're a very strong woman, you'll tend to get respected for that. Not vocally very strong, but physically very strong women are generally not given so much hell. I hope that makes sense. There's a little bit of self-defense advice to ladies. Sometimes it's okay to give a feel that, yeah, I mean, I can take on you if I want to, you know, and that really helps people. So, जब वो किया तो मुझे एक दिन इकरा यूनिवर्सिटी का एक सेशन हो रहा था. मेरे दोस्त था शाहजेब खानी, वाज आल्सो इनटू वेलनेस. तो ये सेट कि तुम इतनी सेल्फ डिफेंस के बारे में बात करती हो सैनब, व्हाई डोंट यू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. मैं एक सेशन कर रहा हूँ, तुम आके बात करो, यू स्पीक वेरी वेल. लाइक आई didn't think about it. Me speaking, I mean, I was a debater when I was younger as in school, but speaking is not
कर लेते
exactly
हैं.
like a
अपने
career.
सोचा करके देख लेते हैं.
Yeah, कर लेते हैं. So I went and I did that. It got very popular. Then I got called from Beacon House, then Scepter College and Cedar College, and it just went on until I became very good at it, and I started doing my own research. और क्योंकि मैं फारिग थी और मैं इंतहाई, like when I do research, I get really deep into it, and then I realized that physical self-defense is one of the worst things you can teach people, because that is जब companies आके कहते हैं ना आप punching और kicking सिखाएं, कि आप एक 5 फुट की बंदी को कह रहे हैं कि आप इस 6 फुट आदमी को आप पंच मारें, क्या होगा? उसको घुमा के एक दफ़ा मार देना, उसकी शील बी ऑन द फ्लोर. नो, देर आर अदर वेज टू डील विद वायलेंस हेड ऑन. देर आर अदर वेज ऑफ कन्फ्रंटिंग इट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग. That became quite big after that. And we went nationwide, was part of the National Assembly for a while. After that, you saw it, एक के बाद एक companies, एंग्रो ने हाथ रखा मेरे सर पे, एक दिन कह रहे कि सेल्फ डिफेंस का सेशन करवाओ. And then after that, I've just been going at it, and I've been working on DEI, policy making के अंदर, arguing with FEMPACT. So it's just been one step after the other. It has not been a short journey, it's been a long journey, and it's been a very trying journey. But what is rewarding is the women I am now surrounded with are some of the best women I've ever met in my life.
God, I've got tens of questions now. मैंने सुन लिया सारा, और अब मेरे पास आ रहे हैं खूब सारे सवाल. So सबसे पहले, what are the other ways of self-defense?
So we teach 6 areas of self-defense: verbal, psychological, legal, financial, digital, and then आखिर में physical सिखाते हैं. Physical is when everything fails, then you go for physical. Why? Because even in a case of domestic violence, it starts with verbal violence. It starts with emotional manipulation. Then when you are weakened enough, then the physical violence starts. First, they always test your boundaries. So then we teach psychological and verbal self-defense. अब verbal self-defense corporate में बड़ा important है. Bullying, toxic workplaces, वो handle करना है. या आप अपने, you've got toxic in-laws, you want to handle that, you know. So इस तरीके के एरियाज में बहुत पावरफुल है. फॉर वेमेन आई सजेस्ट कि वर्बल सबसे पहले करें. देन द सेकंड, साइकोलॉजिकल सेल्फ डिफेंस इज वेयर यू लर्न द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ योर प्रेडेटर. How do they think? How do they act? So how can you take over an enemy जिसके बारे में आपकी कोई इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है? आपके पूरे मुल्कों की इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट्स होती है जिसका काम ही यही है कि आप एनिमी के बारे में सीखे. तो हम सिखाते हैं. These are all their weak points on the body. अब जैसे women, when I ask them what's a weak point in a man's body, they're like a groin. I'm like, no, the Adam's apple. That's something you're not even thinking of. सांस रुक जाएगा उसका. You can disable a man so fast. And this is a very weird thing. Women have a very high pain tolerance. We give birth, we have like, you know, monthly situation. And women go through pain as a normal part of their lives. So the pain tolerance is already there. So it's a lot more difficult to kill a woman than a man. Okay, and women don't realize that. And when you talk about strength and you say women are not that strong and men are stronger, but why is pain tolerance not put in that equation? उस तरीके से तो women से ज़्यादा कोई strong नहीं हो सकता है. I mean, so these are conversations we need to have and understand that जो हमारे situation पाकिस्तान में है कि women not being strong has a lot to do with our culture than anything else. It's not because women are inherently not strong. Right? I'll give you an example. You put a Pakistani man versus a Russian woman. Who's going to beat who up? A Russian woman's going to beat a Pakistani man up. Why? Because they are equally as exposed to the world as men are. Even though they're also a patriarchal society. Women हमारे यहाँ घर से बाहर नहीं निकलती, सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल होती, मोबिलिटी होती नहीं है. जब आपके मसल काम नहीं करते हैं तो वो एक गाड़ी की तरह रुक जाता है, मर जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है. आप बाहर ही निकल रही है, विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी हो गई आपको, कैल्शियम ही नहीं जा रही बोन्स में. ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस इज अ नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम फॉर पाकिस्तानी वेमेन बिकॉज ऑफ आवर कल्चर कि घर के अंदर बैठी रहो, स्पोर्ट्स नहीं करते बच्चे. लड़कों को सबसे अच्छा मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि नाइट क्रिकेट खेलता है, जुमा के लिए जाते हैं. दिस आर कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग टाइम्स, दिस इज कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग, सोशल स्किल्स बिल्डिंग, दिस इज दैट. एंड women are sitting at home obeying. When you're sitting and serving and obeying, you cannot learn. You're not in that state of mind, right? So हमें how to push this narrative and take it in a different direction, how to change the balance of power is first understand what your strengths are. I tell women, your strength is your zaban. Women know that. Okay, but हम उसको नेगेटिव तरीके से देखते हैं. वही ज़बान आप अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? ज़रूरी है कि बुरे तरीके से इस्तेमाल.
Punches throw punchlines.
Exactly. I'm going to use that in a section right now. But it's understanding that as a woman, you're a lot stronger than you know. I know it. I've explored it. So I feel that confidence when I'm sitting with any man, stronger than me, with more money than me, with more power than me, you know. So it doesn't matter. And because I talk to him eye to eye, it changes the power balance between us.
Yeah.
And I'm treated as an equal by such men. Constantly. So a lot of women have asked me, how do you get these connections? So किसका network करती हो? It starts with how I approach them.
हाँ.
I am as strong as you are. And if you reject me today, not a problem. Tomorrow you'll be coming back to me. That is the attitude. May be true or may not be true, but I have deluded myself into believing
Very
that.
good. Very
right? And that confidence shows through when I come through. That's 50% of your self-defense. Like the confidence you show.
Absolutely.
The posturing.
और एक्चुअली ये इवन इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जब आप कम्यूट कर रहे होते हैं, बस, चिंची, रिक्शा, राइट? तो जितना जो डरता है उसे डराया भी जाता है. और जो नहीं डर रहा होता तो फिर उसको वो खुद ही अपनी वॉल्स खड़ी कर लेता है.
हिस्ट्री ने हमेशा दिखाया है कि अग्रेसर हमेशा थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग ही होता है और किसके ऊपर अग्रेशन दिखाते हैं जो बहुत ही वीक विक्टिम है. अभी जो करंट एक सिचुएशन चल रही है वॉर की, एक बहुत ही पावरफुल एग्रेसर वेनेजुएला के पास गया है, क्यों करके निकाला है, क्यूबा को कह रहा है क्यूबा की जान निकली हुई क्योंकि ये छोटे चूंटियाँ हैं इन द वर्ल्ड स्टेज. फिर एक और वर्ल्ड पावर को जिसके उस पर सोचा है कि हाँ ये तो वीक है, उधर जाके हाथ मारो और अब सर पकड़ के बैठ गए कि करें तो क्या करें, निकले तो किस तरह निकले. नहीं करते हैं ना. दे आर ऑलवेज अग्रेसिव टू नेशंस दैट दे वीकन फर्स्ट बिकॉज इट्स ईजियर टू टेक ओवर देम, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट बुलीज आर. They are cowards. They do not take on people who are stronger than them. They take on people who are weaker than them. And you recognize the bully. जो by the way, men are also victims. Understand that. और ये जो bully वाला situation, I've seen female bullies as well too. To women as well as to men. It goes on both sides. लोग कहते हैं ना औरत के दुश्मन है. I do not agree with that. इंसान का दुश्मन है. आपकी हिस्ट्री दिखाती है ये चीज़. अभी जितने भी जंग लड़े जा रहे पूरे दुनिया में इसमें से एक औरत नहीं है in any one of these wars. ओके, तो जब ये कहते हैं ना औरत की दुश्मन है, कहाँ? बस आई वुड रादर कि हम वी गॉसिप अबाउट ईच अदर रादर देन थ्रोइंग बॉम्ब्स एट ईच अदर. यू नो दैट्स लॉट बेटर. बट अंडरस्टैंड कि ये इंसानी फितरत है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. ओके, और उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में अपने आप को बचाना is your survival skill, is the survival of the fittest. And men learn it very early because they're thrown out into the elements. लड़कों के कॉलेज में जो फड्डे होते हैं, nobody talks about the lifelong injuries that they have. Okay, वो वाला violence कोई नहीं बात करता है. Men also face that sort of violence when they're young, when they're weak. The minute they get strong, the story changes. Right? So this is such a layered topic. When you go into self-defense, मैं कभी एक दिन का सेशन नहीं करती हूँ. I do multiple day sessions because when you first understand how strong you are, you understand how to take control of your life. You understand that the person in front of you is not as big as you've been told that they are. You know,
very
that changes things.
एक्चुअली वो पर्सपेक्टिव और माइंडसेट का गेम होता है. बिकॉज आपको लगता है कि यार सामने वाला इतना स्ट्रांग है, उसके पास इतनी पावर है, मुझे तो मार देगा, या मैं तो मतलब नॉट जस्ट फिजिकल, आई मीन इमोशनली जब आप अटैक होते हैं तो फिर आपको लगता है कि यार ओके इसके पास ही सारी पावर है. बिकॉज हम खुद अपने आप को इतना वीक समझते हैं तो हम क्या ही स्टैंड लेंगे फिर.
अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू गो बैक टू द वर्ल्ड स्टेज एज वेल. जब मुल्क अग्रेसर्स जंग से पहले 10 साल पहले मीडिया पे प्रोपेगेंडा फेंकता है कि ये ख़राब है मुल्क, इसमें देखो इधर औरतों के साथ क्या है. ये वाला जो औरतों वाली ज़्यादती है ना, हम ये पिछले 30 साल से सुन रहे हैं. आप क्या भी औरतों की ज़्यादती है, आप जाके उस पर फोकस करें. हमारी तो जाती है, it's not as bad as it is there, dude. And as a women's rights activist, I'm saying that, right? So, but what is all of that? This is trying to dirty the pool. कि आप एक बंदे को ख़त्म करने से पहले आपने उनके सपोर्ट सिस्टम को तोड़ दिया, आपने ये कर दिया. अब वही एक्टिविटी को माइक्रो लेवल पे लेकर आए कि व्हेन लेट्स से देयर इज अ हॉरिबल गाय that we know and he's abusing his wife who he's supposed to take care of. तो वो उसके दोस्तों से कटाता है, उसके फैमिली से कटाता है. ये these are tactics, सेम टैक्टिक्स आपको वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे नजर आता है, वही टैक्टिक्स आपको छोटे स्टेज पे नजर आ रही हैं. बिकॉज दे आर बुलीज एंड दे विल पिक ऑन समबडी हु इज वीक एंड दे विल वीकन द पर्सन फर्स्ट.
करते हैं तो फिर आप वीक होते चले जाते हैं.
आपके पास सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं, आप भागेंगे तो अगर, और फिर आपको सबके सामने ख़राब करते हैं, गैसलाइट कर करके आपको पागल बनाते हैं लोगों के सामने. तो जब आप इसके ऊपर कंप्लेन करेंगे तो पहली चीज़ क्या कहती है, फॉल्स एलिगेशन है. दिस इज़ वेयर द फॉल्स एलिगेशन स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स. ये वाली इसकी पीछे की कहानी कोई बात करना नहीं चाहता है. बट एक्चुअली वन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस आई सीन जहाँ एविडेंस हैं, वहाँ मैंने देखा है जो परपेट्रेटर बड़े मुंह, हाँ बिल्कुल बना के, दिस इज़ अ फॉल्स एलिगेशन और मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकता. यू कैन कैच दैट पर्सन रेड हैंडेड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे, बट दैट पर्सन विल ऑलवेज डिनाई नहीं, हम है ही नहीं, आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट एंड आई एम सच अ फैमिली पर्सन एंड मैंने कभी ये परपेट्रेट नहीं किया होगा. ये बहुत लेयर्स है वन अ पर्सन. नाउ दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू, नाउ यू गोइंग टू लुक एट द सिचुएशन इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. यू नो दैट कि ये गेम मेरे साथ क्या खेल रहा है, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, मैं कौन सी गेम खेल सकती हूँ उसके साथ. ओके, यू वांट टू प्ले, सो देयर इज अ वे टू प्ले, राइट. आई यूज्ड टू बी सो स्केयर्ड ऑफ बीइंग बुलीड. आई यूज्ड टू बी बुलीड अ लॉट व्हेन आई वाज यंग एंड मुझे बात जवाब देना नहीं आता था. दैट्स
आवाज़ की वजह से,
आवाज़ की वजह से, वेट की वजह से, कम्प्लेक्शन की वजह से, बहुत और चीज़ों की वजह से मुझे बहुत बुली किया जाता था, राइट. एंड आई वाज,
जवाब देना नहीं आता था तो यूज्ड टू फील वीक, राइट.
और वो सब बच्चे मिलकर मुझे दबाते थे और फिर सुनाते थे. मुझे आता नहीं था कि जवाब किस तरह.
कैसे सीखा?
है
कैसे सीखा?
वो जो लोग करते हैं ना, बार बार सिनारियोज चला रहे हो आप अपने दिमाग में. आई स्टार्ट डॉक्यूमेंटिंग इट.
ओके
ओके, एंड देन आई स्टार्ट स्टडिंग इट. एक्चुअली वर्बल सेल्फ डिफेंस के ऊपर बहुत किताबें हैं, so you can read about that and I start putting all of that together and I start practicing it. And now अब ये पॉइंट आ गया कि मैं लाइव शोज करती हूँ, उसमें तो कोई हैकल करे तो बस मैं पकड़ के उसको घुमाती हूँ कि अच्छा तुमने कुछ करना है. ये मेरे एक यूनिवर्सिटी में हुआ था कि मैं खड़े होकर बात करती हूँ. यूजुअली होता नहीं है, बहुत कम होता है. अब मैं और हमारी यही बात हो रही थी कि मेन वर्सेस वुमेन के ये जो कन्वर्सेशन ही होनी नहीं चाहिए. वी वर हैविंग दैट टॉक और पीछे से दो लड़के ना बार बार हैकल कर रहे थे, मगर औरतों का तो जगह ही है किचन में, औरतों को तो है ही जगह किचन में. 2-3 दफ़ा बोला, मैंने उसको इग्नोर किया ना, आगे गई. एंड खुद सी द गर्ल्स वर गोइंग लाइक दिस. तो तीसरी दफ़ा जब बोला, मैंने कहा अच्छा मुझे 2 लड़के उधर नज़र आ रहे हैं, जितनी भी लड़कियाँ ना पुश देम इन द फ्रंट, लेट्स गेट देम ऑन द स्टेज. अब पीछे तो बड़े शेर बने हुए थे, स्टेज पर आके सब कुछ स्टेज फ्राइट हो जाता है ना, तो फॉरन पिस गए ना. मैं पुट देम ऑन द स्पॉट. मैंने कहा अच्छा आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे, लेट्स गिव यू द स्पॉट, हियर यू गो, आ जाए, आपके लिए जगह है. जितना अब पूरा ऑडियंस बैठ कर उनको देख रहे, उनको शर्म आ रही है अलग. तो अब अगले दफा सोचेंगे 2 दफा ये करते हुए. बट यू नो वेज ऑफ डीलिंग विद एनी टाइप ऑफ बुली नाउ. So yeah, and I think the best we have to learn is especially extended family members जो बहुत bully करते हैं. That's something I think every female has experienced, even men. Yeah.
अच्छा men, हाँ, okay. वो I don't know.
We'll get to the later.
हाँ नहीं, तो मुझे नहीं पता उस बारे में ज़्यादा. तो but of course I've seen women facing that toxicity from extended family. तो extended family की केस में I have not seen men facing that toxicity, but outside of the home, yes. I've seen them facing such sort of toxicity. वो थोड़ा जल्दी फेस करते हैं बिकॉज वो बाहर निकलते हैं, जैसे आपने कहा कि ज़्यादा उनका एक्सपोजर होता है, तो वो उन सिचुएशंस में ज़्यादा एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं. ख़वातीन ज़्यादातर घर पे रहती हैं तो वो इतना एक्सपोज नहीं होती, वो घर वालों के टॉक्सिसिटी से ज़्यादा एक्सपोज हो रही होती है दैट टाइम. So I'll go back to, so I have 3-4 questions again. I'll go back to this one thing where you said कि I faced certain situations where I decided to learn self defense. आपने कहा ना आपकी शुरुआत कहीं से हुई है self defense की. तो what were the situations, what were those complexities जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि यार अब मुझे self defense सीखना है?
Actually, I told you I was bullied since I was a kid. It was always something ever present in my head. जब हम कराची आए थे तो I felt like a breath of fresh air. The bullying stopped. I could thrive. I didn't feel the need until I got into this relationship, unfortunately, and it didn't work out. It opened my eyes to what abuse looks like, And although it's been a lot of years, so I've forgiven that person. And I can now, after letting that hatred go, I can understand that he was also abused by his father his entire life, and this is the only reality he understood. That's me being very kind to him for what he's done. But I experience all the 6 areas of self-defense I talk about: verbal, psychological, legal, financial, digital, and physical. I experienced
Physical?
actual harassment on each side. And more than that, I don't know how much we can say here, but that made me understand that how am I going to survive this? How am I going to do this? How am I going to go back out in the front? I felt so scared. And then my khala told me कि तुम Tai Chi शुरू करो, and I was 220 pounds at that. I was huge, right? So Tai Chi करूँगी किस तरह करूँगी? But I lost 75 pounds, and I was feeling so much better. I was feeling so much more confident. And after learning Tai Chi, it's a very, very quiet martial art. I don't know how to explain it. Even if you're 60-year-old, you can start doing it. It's very easy martial art. And उसने मेरी health और capability और strength और हर चीज़ को इतना बदल दिया ना, like that I was moving and doing things differently. It just came from a place of fear that I just knew that something's going to go up. It was also that I saw my cousins going through it. I saw my friends going through it. They were going through such abusive marriages. And I was so scared. I was just like, it's a Russian roulette in Pakistan. You don't know who the other person is going to turn out to be like.
जब आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात कर रही थी, आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड वन पॉइंट वेयर यू सेड कि आई वेंट टू नापा एंड लर्न सम यू हैव टेकन एक्टिंग कोर्स एज वेल, वो ट्रेनिंग थी पूरी, बट वो एक्टिंग कोर्स को आपने यूज़ किया अपनी होस्टिंग में और पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में.
Absolutely.
हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? आई मीन उस ट्रेनिंग ने क्या बदला, उससे पहले क्या था और बाद में कैसा था?
So I was always a public speaker. From the age of 14, I've been a public speaker. And when you're a debater, there's a certain pose and style. And almost every debater in Pakistan has a very specific type of debating style. I had to go to acting classes to change that. And I went to Napa. And ये हम कुछ दोस्त हैं, हमने एक one of my friends wanted to take classes. He's like, हम सब साथ मिलकर जाके audition करते हैं. Both of them did not get in. I got in. So we was just like, okay. And actually मेरी आवाज़ पे हुआ था. And as I said, जो मेरी एक फटी हुई ढोल आवाज़ थी, I never thought it was something that I could use. Napa was the first place where I heard that my voice is nice. And I was just like, really? My voice is nice? I did not know that. And
हमेशा तो bully किया जाता था इस पे.
I got bullied, and it was very strange being told, oh, your voice is so nice. And I'm like, really? Like, okay. And the vocal training and the things that I was going through in Napa, the workouts, the movement, the different types of forms of training जो उन्होंने करवाया था, changed my body language, changed my performance, changed छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है that totally change your performance. Like I can talk to you like this, or I can just go like this and bring in a little power. It's just इतनी छोटी चीज़ें होती है to show the world what you want them to see. You can change perceptions, you can influence the audience, and that's what theatre is all about. You have to take them on a journey, right? So imagine now you're a host, and you take your entire conference on a journey the whole day. And that's what basically I do. I do a lot of storytelling. I bring the audience. If I see the audience is sleeping, and I think I'm kind of popular for this, make them say, "Assalamu alaikum, everybody get up!" And then everybody's up. Okay, ye awaaz kahan se aayi hai? Like, so I know how to pick that up. How to get people moving.
Wow.
And that is all from Napa.
Wow.
Right? And I do believe that anybody who wants to improve their public speaking should learn acting.
Wow,
Very, very
okay.
important.
That is a different perspective. What are the other details that you you can give us एक छोटा सा course outline के ये चीज़ें improve हो जाती हैं, कुछ highlights दें.
मुलट्ठी की चाय पिए. Singers do that. Licorice sticks के चाय, really good for your gala. Add turmeric into your diet. Haldi will give you energy. It's going to sound like मैं टोटके दे रही हूँ, but they really work.
सुबह सुबह अम्मा भी मेरी यही कह रही थी, हल्दी हल्दी रोज क्यों नहीं लेती हो?
ऐसा ताकत देता है, and you need that ताकत when you want to pull out, like 800 लोग सामने बैठे हो, आप सबको उठाना है. So this amount of energy you have to bring them. So if you don't have energy yourself, what are you going to do? Right? So you need, Haldi does a brilliant job on that. I use that very regularly. अपने गले को ट्रेन करने के लिए कैवा आप बनाए 7-8 वो जो पेपर कॉर्न्स है ना, वो बस डालें और उसका वो पका के करें, वो गला ऐसा साफ करता है आपका, हल्का फुल्का भी बलगम है ना उसको उड़ा देगा. उसके अलावा वोकल ट्रेनिंग, अब मैं तो करूँगी बड़ा अजीब लगेगा, बट लाइक यू कैन ट्रेन योर वॉइस, यू कैन गो फॉर वोकल एक्सरसाइजेज ऑनलाइन. आप बस वोकल एक्सरसाइजेज लिखें ऑन यूट्यूब एंड आपको मिल जाएंगे बहुत सारे.
ठीक है.
आप रोज़ करना शुरू करें, आपको अपने आवाज़ पे कंट्रोल आना शुरू हो जाएगा. यू विल एक्सपीरियंस दैट. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर 4, एक्टिंग में ऑब्जर्वेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू आर टोल्ड फ्रॉम डे 1 के सबको ऑब्जर्व करो. अगर एक पियोन इस तरह बैठा हुआ है तो किस तरह बैठता है, किस तरह चलता है. अगर एक पॉडकास्टर है तो किस तरह बैठी है. एक सीईओ है तो वो किस तरह एक्ट करता है, उसकी चाल किस तरह. इट शुड फील रियल, right? So when you learn to change your character, when you're on the stage, you can shift into any character you want. Okay, it's a very powerful thing because again, people pay so much money for performers because they want that experience, right? So if you're going to be a public speaker, might as well give them that experience like this. So one more thing that I want to add over here is that your core muscles are so important for this. लोगों को पता नहीं है कि connection क्या है, but your core not just helps you in your balance and stability, it helps project your voice. So make sure your core exercises are constantly at the go. If you are going to the gym regularly, you're doing cardio regularly, you're doing breathing exercises, that helps. So आप देखें ना, सारे healthy lifestyle चीज़ें हैं जो आपको करनी ज़रूरत होती है, that really helps in this. And आखिर में it's not just about performance, it's the substance you bring into the story. Read like there is no tomorrow. Do not rely on ChatGPT for your reading. Download apps that improve, like help you read more, help get more information. And try कि जो आप doom scrolling अगर कर रहे हैं तो at least सही topics की doom scrolling करें, right? So I mean, don't waste that time on इधर उधर की चीज़ें. Learn things,
of course,
because you never know where you might have to use what case study and what history. That is what gets people in my sessions. That if I've got somebody with an opposing thought, I have a fact to back myself up in. कि actually 1979 में ये हुआ था, 1983 में ये हुआ था, ये. And then people are like, oh, अच्छा, we don't have a response to that. She knows what she's talking about. Which very changes how people attack you on the screen as well too. It's quite good actually that way.
Yeah.
So yeah.
हाँ, okay. So मैं बार I'm actually recalling the self defense वाली बात also, and I'll jump to the part where I want to understand, कभी किसी को पीटा है वैसे? अभी मतलब इतना सीख लिया, इतना सेल्फ डिफेंस सीख लिया तो किसी को मारा भी तो होगा बाद में फिर.
Actually, that's a very interesting thing. उससे पहले मैं पिटी हूँ. इवन बचपन में मैं पिटी हूँ. बचपन में बहुत मारती थी. माई मॉम यूज टू से दैट मैं बहुत चुड़ैल होती थी विद बॉयज इन आवर फैमिली. बट देन दे मस्ट हैव ट्राइड टू बुली मी, दैट आई बुलीड देम बैक. अगेन दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ माई पर्सनैलिटी कि अभी भी मुझे बुली इतने साल किया तो माई फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज टू गो एंड टीच अदर वुमेन हाउ टू काउंटर बुलिंग, मेक माई आर्मी एंड टेक इट बैक, राइट. सो वो बचपन में भी ऐसा था. बट आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग सेल्फ डिफेंस, आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट. Just my posture and just the fear of being beaten up has changed how men talk to me. They don't talk to me, they don't threaten me, they don't harass me anymore.
मतलब अभी मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, आप कह रही हैं?
Yeah, they don't harass me anymore. They just don't. उल्टा ही हो रहा होता कि कोई करता था, I'm like, आओ चलो मैं अपने स्किल्स किसी के ऊपर इस्तेमाल करूँ. Literally I'm like dying कि कोई. And 2-3 दफ़ा हुआ है कि if I was at a party and there was this guy who was drunk and he was a friend's friend, so I was being decent with him and trying to avoid him, was being creepy. And इतने सारे लोग होते हैं, you know how it is in Pakistan, you're trying to avoid a tamasha or anything coming towards you. And this guy kept putting his hand on my thigh and I kept, and there are like 15 people around me and not one, and they're looking at it and they're not doing or saying a word. पहली दफ़ा किया, मैं बात करते कि यूँ कर रही हूँ, बार बार हटा रही हूँ, किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला तो मुझे गुस्सा आया, राइट. और उसका हाथ इधर, मैंने यूँ उसकी 2 उंगलियाँ उठा के, मैंने कहा मसला क्या है तुम्हारा, और तुम लोग क्या क्यों किस बात पे तुम्हारी बूथी बंद हुई है. सब बदले ना, यू एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड स्क्रैम्बलिंग एंड ऑल. सो people don't do much with me.
अभी उनको पता है पड़ जाएगी.
Last 10 years, I think I've had the cleanest years of my life. Stress free after martial arts.
तो सीखने के बाद अभी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी यार किसी को पीटने की.
Yeah, I mean, come at me, bro. Like, I don't have a problem. Like, I would like to see if I can actually do that. All the things that I say that. But I think your poise makes a huge difference. And also the fact that I learned that gathering power is more important than physical strength, right? And I use that to my advantage. So a lot of people just don't.
Gathering power, how?
The sort of allies I have, the sort of connections I have. And these are connections I've made myself, not connections I've gotten from somebody else. My father is also very very heavily connected, but I went on to do it myself. And बाद में उन्होंने कहा अच्छा तुम इधर तक पहुँच गए हो कि let me help you here. Oh maybe I can. But पहले हमेशा make your own network. Your network is your safety net, right? And I made friends in the military. I made friends in the police. I made my own friends in all these places. So now in my friends, my closest friends, there उनको ऊपर ज़्यादती हो रही है तो उनको तो मैं connections यूँ करके दे देती हूँ. I can protect them. I'm no longer just protecting myself. I can protect others. You know, so it's.
अब्बा क्या करते हैं?
My father now is a financial consultant and an advisor, but he was the CEO of Saudi Park Leasing, and after Sapico, Grant Thornton में भी थे as a consultant, so he's very well known. And PMEX के भी थे chairman last year, so he was also in the corporate space.
So while you were helping other women, have you experienced any sort of story that you remember that was very, rewarding for you? कि यार मैंने इस, एक बंदी को इस प्रॉब्लम से निकाला है, या इसको ट्रेन किया डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के अगेंस्ट, या फिर अपने कनेक्शन से उसकी हेल्प की, नॉट जस्ट कनेक्शंस बट एक सेल्फ डिफेंस सिखाया, तो देखो आज वो यहाँ पर है. आई एम श्योर देयर मस्ट बी सक्सेस स्टोरीज इन योर लाइफ आल्सो.
Actually, amazingly, thousands of them. It's and why? Because women just need someone to tell them कि yes, you can do it, just once, and then watch them grow. I discovered this in the beginning. कि मुझे एक सेशन से एक औरत बदल सकती है. Who would have thought? You can't do that with the male population, strangely. Okay? But they're so repressed and they're just waiting to come out, right? And so, which example would I take? Like, I'm just thinking, so I'm going to take an example of this place in Liaqatabad, which I did a training session just before COVID in 2019. It was a very small training session that I did. And there was another friend of mine who was connected to me, who's also working with the DC and the EDC and all. हमने उधर जाके किया, मैंने एक दिन का सेशन करवाया. अब 2-3 चीज़ें मैं सिखाती हूँ उसमें. एक मैं सिखाती हूँ, think like a predator when you are up against a predator. There is a way to do it. I teach how to do it.
Okay.
All right, मैं पूरे steps सिखाती हूँ what to do, how they think and how they act and how you can adopt that mentality.
Same.
So imagine if somebody comes to you, जैसे एक कहानी है, this Russian woman, there was this robber who came to steal something from her house, and she sees the thief and she just kidnaps him and ties him up. फिर वो खुद करती है जो कर.
Very good.
Shift of power. I'm not encouraging people to do that, but I'm saying that there are ways to change the power balance. Okay, just that will change the outcome of that situation. So, sorry, where were we?
आप स्टोरी बता रही थी.
Of the girls. All right. So first thing was this. Second thing I taught was that anything is a weapon. This is a weapon. The phone here is a weapon. The glass there is a weapon. My phone is a weapon. People don't know. They freeze. कि मैं किस तरह कर सकती हूँ. भाई हर चीज तुम्हारे आसपास एक वेपन है. दुपट्टा इज अ वेपन. रैप इट इन योर हैंड एंड पंच द गाय. आपका हाथ बिल्कुल सेफ रहेगा. ओके, और कुछ नहीं. जस्ट पुट इट अराउंड द नेक एंड पुल. आई मीन हेलो, you're walking around with a weapon in your hand and women don't see it that way. They see it कि अच्छा नहीं, it's for modesty भाई. Right? So
दबाने के लिए.
अच्छा, इसी तरीके से the best weapon is a pen. Right? Why? Because even on an airplane they let you have it. You can take it anywhere. It is inconspicuous. And wherever you're sitting and some hand comes like this, you just have to go like that. And it is very effective. Anyways, these two things are very important to know. So thinking like a predator, कोई kidnapper आता है. If somebody wants to kidnap you, they'll stand outside your house and wait and see your routine and do it now. So that's a thing I taught these girls. 5 years later, randomly, I sit with that friend and he's like, guys, Zainab, I think there's a very big problem that's happening in this area. And do you remember you did this workshop? I was like, हाँ, एक दिन किया था and I don't really remember much of it. 12 साल की बच्चियाँ थी. He's like, yeah, a problem happened and I think you're behind it. I'm just like, what happened? Okay, so this story is so crazy, right? And I'm not going to mention the place because I don't want this girl's privacy to come out. So these girls were काफ़ी colonies में गली जाती है उनके सामने, and these girls were walking inside, and one day out of nowhere these 19-year-old boys कहीं से बरामद होते हैं. One day they just start harassing the girls, cat calling वगैरह. अब वो बढ़ता रहता है. लोग कहते हैं ना इग्नोर करो. harassment को इग्नोर नहीं करते क्योंकि it only increases, right? And people who say इग्नोर करो ख़त्म हो जाएगा really have no idea what they're talking about. So वो increase होता गया. The girls went to their parents. The parents went to the elders. A lot of colonies have a system where they have elders of the community. very much like a tribal system. And these elders were men, and they said कि no, इतना कोई इन लड़कियों को शौक हो रहा है, इस टाइम रात में आ रही है, उनके साथ सही हो रहा है. And basically they had this thing, why these girls even getting out to study in the first place? What is pushing you to do this? Now the parents were in a back foot. Now these boys get bold. After that, they start targeting the older women, the beva women, the women who lost their husbands, the women who are in a difficult place, who are divorced. And those women are like, we have to go out and work. No, not this is not our issue to deal with. Obviously, बाद में पता चला one of the boys was one of the eldest kids. A tale as old as time, right? No accountability, करने दो अपने बेटे को जो करे. Anyways, अब ये problem होता चला गया, and this 15-year-old girl was coming, and these boys grabbed her and then assaulted her properly. And that's when these girls were like, हमारे बड़े तो हैं ही useless, elders तो हैं ही useless. It looks like we have to take matters in our own hands. And what they do is what gets me into trouble. So first they do recce. Okay, they saw when the boys were coming, when they were going, where they're standing, who they're going after. They did the whole research. Then about 19-20 of them got together. They took the hottest girl in their group, sent her in the gully, and now the boys are walking behind her. सामने से 19-20 लड़कियाँ आती और उन्होंने इतना मारा है उन लड़कों को, इतना मारा है उन लड़कों को. It became a problem, but then the parents stood up like it toppled the whole power structure of the whole colony.
Wow.
One workshop. I was just like, what? I was just like, this couldn't have been me. Maybe these girls just came up with it themselves. They're like, no, they beat up the boys with pens. This was you. Okay. I'm just like, oops. But
Wow,
yeah,
wow.
you just need a day with a woman. They were
Wow.
12-year-old girls.
Amazing.
So उसके बाद से I've been taking it very responsibly and teaching them according
you
to that.
still did a great job. अभी आप यही सिखाओगे ना, क्या सिखाने में कुछ बदला है क्या?
Yeah, I just realized I'm going to get into trouble like this. But yeah, I preach non-violence. I think there are many non-violent ways to deal with the problem. But I wish I had taught those girls how to negotiate with their elders. I didn't have time.
यार वैसे नहीं होता. I don't think कि वो negotiate
You can
भी
put
करते.
pressure. Negotiation के through you can do that. That's how laws are made. I learned that with time as well too.
But so हमारे elders की अगर वायरिंग ही वैसी हुई हुई है ना कि इग्नोर कर दो, बच के चलो, वो डर बैठा हुआ होता है, तो वो अपने elders में से वो डर निकालना आसान काम नहीं है.
This is a neuroscientific way of doing it.
Okay.
So ये जो जितनी भी conditioning है ना, इसके neural pathways बने हुए हैं आपके body में. And this is activity I make people do. I want you to do this. I want you to cross your arms right now. Right? So you've crossed them बड़े आराम से, right? खोलो और उल्टा करो the other arm. See, it takes a second. Neural pathway नहीं बना हुआ है, right? So when you do something again and again, neural pathway बन जाता है उसका. Elders के neural pathways अपने पुरानी आदतों के बहुत ही deep engraved हैं. But there is a concept called neuroplasticity, which means your brain is constantly evolving till the end. And only जब आपको dementia हो जो कि कुछ areas आपके brain को impact करता है, कुछ proteins. खैर, I'm not an expert here, so I'm not going to go into detail with that. But neuroplasticity is a thing, and you can train people at an older age to go in a very different direction. 10 years ago,
it will take you a lot of weeks and days and months also. I don't know, maybe months or years.
There are tactics. That's what I'm paid for as a DI consultant. I do these behavior change programs. There are ways to do micro learnings, and there are ways to put them in your environment. There are ways to subliminally change people's
But आपके
behavior.
पास ट्रेनिंग के लिए वो आएगा ना जो कन्विंस है वो ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए. ये वाली सिचुएशन में पेरेंट्स आर नॉट इवन रेडी टू टेक एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, लिसन एनीथिंग. वो क्योंकि वो अपने लिए नहीं अपने बच्चों के लिए डरे हुए होते हैं.
You incentivize. You see, anybody who wants to do something good inside a village, you have 2-3 ways of going about it. Go straight to the leader of the village. That's the easiest one. Everybody has to follow, right? Get a buy-in from there. If that does not work out, then try to get a buy-in with a majority of the people. Okay, go over there, talk to them, have like kind of circles where you sit with them and do community outreach. Number 3 is buy their willingness. Okay, which is what political parties do. Number 4, so these are influence ke tactics, right? So you can use the same thing to do this, right?
Okay.
And there are other ways too as well. You can reach out to me if you want to know more. Yeah.
Violent ways weren't bad either.
Yeah, there's so many other ways other than violence, यार. दुनिया बेहतर है उसके बगैर.
But वो लड़कियों ने अपने लिए ले लिया ना, stand अपना self defense कर लिया ना. Do you remember any other story about?
Wow, what
Do you remember any other story like that?
Huh?
Do you remember any other story like that?
यार इस तरह की
These kind
कहानियां
of
where women
classes
have
have influenced people where.
Yeah, a lot of the activists that you see in Pakistan right now have a very crazy story behind them. You go into that, and then you'll see what real adversity se rise karna looks like, right? Like, and how do you say self defense में मैंने जब भी किसी को सिखाया अभी जैसे पना शेल्टर होम से ये 2-3 शेल्टर होम से जाके मैं करवाती हूँ और बड़े क्रेजी स्टोरीज हैं उनके of how they escape their homes of extreme domestic violence and the escapes are not like दरवाज़ा खोल के बाहर गए नहीं है एवरी जोड़ा ऑफ देयर हाउस उसको नॉट बना के बाहर नहीं लटकाया रोप से किस तरह भागी है गिरी है पूरी पूरी बिल्डिंग से 3-3 फ्लोर से और फिर भागी उधर से लाइक एक्सट्रीम स्टोरीज और फिर उनको मैं करवाती हूँ ये ट्रेनिंग्स एंड देन आई सी देम आफ्टर 2 years एंड देर वेल सेटल्ड एंड देर डूइंग देयर ट्रेनिंग्स और योगा कर रही हैं और they've come out of all of that and they're in a very good state of mind
Wow,
you know
yeah,
where they're
wow.
thriving and all
Zabardast, yeah,
so yeah I've seen these sort of
Also,
changes
the
as well.
thing that you mentioned कि अक्सर लोगों का दिमाग बंद हो जाता है ऐसी सिचुएशन में and you said कि आपका phone and दुपट्टा and everything that you can use. I was watching this कोई short documentary थी where this girl was sitting in this cab और वो cab driver रास्ता बदल लेता है तो जब वो रास्ता बदल लेता है तो वो बंदी इमीडिएटली एंड शी वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड वेरी अग्रेसिव ऑल्सो अपना दुपट्टा उतारती है और वो पीछे से ही कैब ड्राइवर के गले में डालती है उसको टाइटली बांधती है और उससे चाबी निकालो चाबी निकाल के देता है फिर वो उतरती है उससे मोबाइल लेती है उसकी चाबी भी लेती है और जाके गार्ड को आई मीन ऑब्वियसली सिक्योरिटी गार्ड उसकी गाड़ी और की चाबी और फ़ोन उनको देती है अपना बैग लेती है दुपट्टा वापस लेती है चली जाती है बिकॉज गाड़ी बंद हो जाती है
taking your power
आई मीन उस सिचुएशन
that's
उसका
we
दिमाग
teach
चला
that in
कि
our session
दुपट्टा
too.
वाज द ओनली थिंग दैट शी कुड यूज एंड शी यूज्ड इट
Yeah. I've actually बचपन में when I used to be bullied, I used to be beaten up by these boys in school. So that's how I actually learned the dupatta tactic, right? And I would just cover because I used to be scared कि मैं हाथ से मारूंगी और मैं किस तरह करूंगी. So somebody, I think my cousin said कि just pad your hands with something. So I just got the dupatta one day and I started hitting the kid back.
Also, keeping some sort of things like black pepper and a little knife and the stuff like that that a lot of people teach you कि आप अपने बैग में रखें हमेशा would also
You will not have a lot of time to react.
still having some
Like
could be a better
the thing
option.
that I hate the most is बीच में women started making pepper sprays at home. Please do not do that. Aerosol spray होना चाहिए. It should be a pressurized can ताकि 3 meters दूर से आप करीब जाके यूँ करेंगे उसने यूँ रख के मारना है तुम्हें. You need distance between yourself and the attacker. And these things tell you to get into the attacker. You don't. You do that when you're quite confident that you can. Like for example, if somebody came and attacked me, I would not move away from them. I would move into them because I know how to deal with them, right? But other people, I don't tell that. I tell them how to get out of that situation, right? So I do not. That's what I say. Physical self defense पे मैं focus नहीं करती हूँ. मुझे पता है कि वो नहीं काम आता है. मैं martial artist हूँ. I'm telling you, I have friends who have black belts and they're getting beaten up in their own homes. It doesn't matter. It's psychological. Power is psychological. All of this power balance is.
क्योंकि उस सिचुएशन में आपका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा होता और हाथ पाँव काम वैसे भी नहीं करेंगे
और आपका बॉडी
सामने वाला इतना पावरफुल हाँ सामने वाला अगर ज्यादा पावरफुल है तो आप कितना ही
अपनी माँ को कभी नहीं देखा है आप अपने बच्चों को किसी लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन में डालो माँ के अंदर सडनली एक हल्क होगन स्टाइल स्ट्रेंथ आ जाती है आउट ऑफ नोवेयर psychologically you have no idea what you're capable of. It's about bringing that state of mind out.
Lovely. कब करें अगला सेशन आप सेल्फ डिफेंस
आपके साथ करूंगी मैं इंशाल्लाह over here and I wish that I really do hope that everybody in the corporate sector comes and joins us with Hustle as we do this for International Women's Day.
So you're doing another conference very soon?
Yes, the CSR Summit which is happening on the 25th and it's going to feature more than 100 of the best companies in Pakistan who are working on CSR. We've got some really good speakers there.
And Hustle is going to cover that, inshallah.
Yes, our podcast partners.
Of course. The other thing is you also mentioned Musarrat Misbah कि आप एक NGO के लिए काम कर रही हैं, right?
Yes, absolutely. So, Musarrat Misbah's NGO is Deplex Smile Again Foundation. आप सबको पता है कि जो impact पाया है at least. You came, you saw her, and she gave her case. She has 800 plus victims of acid attacks and burn victims who require operations, who require rehabilitation and training and vocational skills, all of these things. She is the one who is doing all of this. Please, if you'd like to give a donation, please do that in an individual capacity. But more importantly, get in touch with me, get in touch with her if you want your organization to take her on board as a vendor for your CSR initiatives. We would absolutely love that.
Lovely. Thank you so much for being with us. It was a pleasure having you.
Likewise. Thank you.